everybody, I'm going to be showing you my menu plan this week. We still have leftover turkey in the freezer that I want to use up. Plus I have a ham to use up that's in the fridge from my grocery haul. It's still good in the fridge for another couple weeks, it says, but I want to use it up to make a few dishes and to use the leftover ham for big mac and cheese for next week. So come and see what I'm making this week. I'm also going to be making a few low carb dishes that I'm going to be adding carbs to for my family. And that's about it. So here is the menu plan. So today, Monday, I'm going to be using turkey. I'm going to make fresh pasta with my KitchenAid pasta maker attachment, the Paparelli. I really liked it from the menu we had last week that was already made, so I'm going to make my own attempt to make it. This will not be low carb, but it's something I want to try and make pasta from scratch, and then we're going to have a salad. Tomorrow I have that ham, so I'm going to cook it up as a ham, and we're making a Rowan one to make these cauliflower gnocchi with pesto, so that's the whole low carb part. So we're going to have that with the ham instead of like traditional potatoes. I will have some other vegetables too. Wednesday we will have turkey hot and sour soup. So I'm going to make turkey hot and sour soup, but instead of adding chicken or pork, I'm going to be using turkey. And then I have some egg rolls in the fridge from Costco. Fridge or freezer? I can't remember. We got them from Costco. Thursday we're going to make a ham and cauliflower casserole. That's going to be low carb, and we'll have that probably with a salad or some other vegetables. Friday I'm going to be making pizza buns. I got a whole bunch of like hot dog buns from the church, from the potluck, and then I'm going to also make some fathead dough to have some pizza for me, and so we'll have like pizza and probably coleslaw or something that evening veggie wise. I'll see what veggies are left. Saturday, in the freezer I have this Kung Pao pork I made a while ago, and we'll have it with rice. I might make some cauli rice if there's still cauliflower left. I'm also going to be making a turkey vegetable soup. I'm thinking Saturday, but I might making it Friday for just lunches, and for leftovers on Sunday. As Sunday is always leftovers, we throw it all together, whatever's left, and everybody gets kind of a little bit of everything, or they get whichever leftover they want, and then supper at Nana's on Sunday. And there we have it. So we don't have any plans of eating out this week. If anything, if we're going to eat out, that would be on a Saturday, so one of these meals might not get done. If it's this one, it's already in the freezer. It's not a big deal. So that is the plan for this week coming up. Lots of turkey and ham, so we have those things, and those things are really cheap. I got the turkey for 95 cents a pound, and I got the ham for $1.97 a pound. So that's a huge ham. So there'll be leftover ham that I'll be packaging up into Ziploc bags for the freezer to make baked mac and cheese, which is my family's favorite thing to have.